guys, it is Sophia. You don't know me. This is my first YouTube channel. And I have family members, obviously. This is my mom, Susanna Fishback.
You're late?
I have pets. So the camera's kind of... this is my kitty. Where's my kitty? Wait, you can't really see him. Come on, kitty. Come on. What are you doing? Come on. Let's go. Look. Where's the camera? Kitty. He's a little kitten. He's a kitten. It's the bright's not on. Come on. So my brother's Ethan Ryder. He went on YouTube and he did a YouTube channel about me when I was a baby. But now I'm grown up. This is me when I'm growing up. If you subscribe on Ethan's channel, Ethan Ryder's channel, then I'm his sister. I almost said I'm his brother. I'm not a boy. Okay. Then look up the one that says Sophia Lynn Priest, because the baby, that was me as a baby, and then this is me. And I have a kitty and a doggy. I'll show you my doggy. This is my kitty. You can't really see him that much. I want him to kind of move into the light. Come on, baby. Come on. Come on, look at the camera. He's a gray kitten. He's actually a kitten because he's only 1 year old. He just turned 1. Yeah, you can't really see him, but sorry, it's kind of dark here. I need to go out of the house and show you my doggy. He's not a puppy. He's 7 years old. Where are you? Here is he. So I'm outside investigating. Outside. Where is my dog? Tyson! His name is Tyson. Oh, my cat's name is Lucky, because he's really lucky. But I have a stepdad, and he said he's not. When he went to like the animal shelter, when he had to get fixed, he was like all calm. Oh, there's my dog. He was all calm. He was like I don't really know what to. He was like he thought my cat was thinking, I'm not lucky, dude. I'm unlucky, because he got fixed. And okay, here's my dog. Hold on. Here's my doggy. Tyson, look at the camera. Look at the camera. I'm sorry, my dog's crazy. Look at the camera. Look at the camera. Look at it. Wait, you're right there. There he is. Okay. So I'm going back inside. I'm gonna show you my room and stuff. It's gonna be dark, like I said here again. So I'm gonna come over here in my house. Yeah, this is my first YouTube channel, so I don't really know much about things. So this is my room. I have bunk beds, and yeah, this is all around my room. So I have a lot of stuff in here. I have a TV, a PlayStation. I have like a bookshelf and stuff. And I have stuff from school, but they're not really that important. But anyways, I'm just going to show them to you. And this is my calendar. It is April. I hope you know that. Okay, so thanks for watching, guys. Make sure you hit the like button and subscribe and comment down below. Bye!